Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2020 Ioniq Hyundai, and we are going to put in vehicle-mounted wireless charger. We want to make it look factory, so and that goes down here. And so let's see what we can do. That looks looks a little aftermarket. It's got a skid pad, and it should go in there. So, power adapter. No instructions, but I have a feeling we can tie it into a cigarette lighter. Okay, how do we get this up? Let's go get some tools. And it says pull unnecessarily hard. Pull. Oh my God, it worked. That's more than unnecessarily hard. Okay, didn't break it. Wow. Okay. Next step. Well, let's see if we can figure out how to get this in there. Let's go to the bench, see what we can do. Whoa! Don't leave your soldering iron on. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Now we should change out this dish. We're gonna do an experiment. Let's put those guys aside. Alright, let's see how this looks. Whoop! It went click. Haha! Okay. Oh, a little bit of a gap there, but alright. Two clips. Okay, put it back in. Set the line and go. Make the noise. Perfect. Nope, I don't like that. Actually, we're going to leave that one off because it might be easier to get at when we put it back in. A little bit more room, and now, aha!
Bingo!
Cool. Yeah, it's still charging. Excellent.
How fast do they charge?
I don't know. Where is it? Yes. Oh! Yeah.
Well, it goes back on nice.
Oh, nice and tight. Well, that's all in. And you can do that. Put your phone on. Does it reach? There we go. Customer will be happy because it doesn't look like anything is out of the ordinary. Cool. Alright, now that it's all done, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what I break next, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.